I started estate planning in 1991, so it's been 31 years, and I concentrate my practice in estate planning and business succession planning. It's all I do every day. I get up in the morning, I go to bed at night, and I think about estate planning, asset protection planning, and business succession planning. I get asked the question all the time, when is my business large enough to think about succession planning? The answer to the question is, how important is the business to the family? So when it's an important asset to the family, it needs to be protected, it needs to be developed, and it needs to be nurtured through a succession planning process. In business succession planning, every business owner needs to think about what would happen on Monday morning if they can't walk into their business or their office ever again. So you need to have what we sometimes refer to as the beer truck plan, which is if you get run over by the beer truck, who's going to make the decisions that you make in the business on a day-to-day basis? Oftentimes, a single individual will not be available to make those decisions. So we use a committee of individuals to do that. That would be for a younger business owner, 30s, 40s, even 50s, who has a 10 or 20 year time horizon still in the business. As the business owners mature, they need 5 to 8 years to think through a good succession plan. Start with, is a family member going to be involved in the family succession plan? If not, how do key employees play into that position? If that doesn't work, what's the economy and the market going to look like for that business? Do they want to retain the business in our community? Does the business owner and family, it's important for both those notions, want to retain the business as an investment for their family? Question would be, if private equity wants to buy the business, why? Private equity wants to buy the business because they're going to make a lot of money in that family-owned business. It's good to have 5 to 8 years to work through the process of transitioning a business and to give full consideration to all the various options, including the family private equity model. The family private equity model, so far, we've done somewhere around 50 of them, has resulted in dramatically greater returns on investments for every family that has done it, and dramatically better results for the employees in the community. It's better for the family, it's better for the employees, it's better for the senior generation transitioning the business.